Hi everyone, this is Sam Cafferty with QTE. I'm an application engineer specializing in Mastercam and its add-ons, and today I'm going to show you an overview of how CIMCO Probing can help reduce setup times and increase part quality, all running inside the Mastercam interface you already know. CIMCO Probing uses the existing macro subprograms on your CNC, but leverages Mastercam's interface and easy programming to quickly and precisely choose probing toolpaths, including workpiece alignments, setting datums or work offsets, workpiece inspection, and part detection. CIMCO probing toolpaths work just like contour, drill, and other Mastercam 2D toolpaths you're already used to using. Let's see an example of that and reset the work offset of this part at the center of this rough stock rectangle. Since we want to set a work offset, we'll click on CIMCO Cycle Probing, come down to Workpiece Datum, and then choose the Rectangle Outside Cycle. CIMCO Probing will use any lollipop-style tool in Mastercam, and we can also provide you with a tool library that has Renishaw probe bodies and tips preloaded. For example, this is a 6mm stylus with a 3-inch overall length OMP 40 Renishaw probe. From there we go to the Cycle tab, right-click on the cycle, and select our geometry. We can even use the Mastercam stock setup, choose a tool plane, and the toolpath will automatically be generated. From there, you can easily manipulate any parameters about this toolpath and then see them in real time. Just like Mastercam toolpaths, we can even save defaults for safety distance, clearance, height, and any other parameters about the toolpath. When it comes time to post, your probing toolpaths will output alongside your machining code, just like any other toolpath. If you need more control over your program, with just a few clicks, you can easily add program stops for scrap parts, jump to remachining operations, and keep tool radius and length in check automatically with automatic compensation, all without manually editing any code. And CIMCO Probing works seamlessly in backplot and verify. Crashing a probe is an expensive mistake, and the accurate simulation in Mastercam ensures that the code you generate will be safe to run. If you're interested in CIMCO Probing or want more information, please reach out to us on our website at qtemfg.com or by calling 877-429-5708. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.